Cryptocurrencies have revolutionized the financial landscape, attracting the attention of individuals worldwide. While purchasing cryptocurrencies is the most common method of acquiring digital assets, there are alternative ways to earn cryptocurrency without spending any money. In this detailed article, we will explore various methods that allow you to accumulate digital assets and participate in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies without making a financial investment. By leveraging your time, skills, and online presence, you can embark on a journey to earn cryptocurrency while contributing to blockchain projects and expanding your knowledge in this dynamic industry. Faucets and airdrops. Faucets and airdrops are simple and accessible methods to earn cryptocurrency without spending any money. Faucets are websites or apps that reward users with small amounts of cryptocurrency for completing simple tasks or CAPTCHA challenges. These tasks could include watching videos, playing games, or taking surveys. Airdrops, on the other hand, involve receiving free tokens or coins by participating in token distribution events or promotional campaigns conducted by blockchain projects. Although the rewards from faucets and airdrops may be relatively small, they are an excellent starting point for beginners to familiarize themselves with cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Over time, these small amounts can accumulate and grow in value. Content creation. If you possess skills such as writing, graphic design, video editing, or programming, you can leverage them to earn cryptocurrency. Many blockchain-based platforms and decentralized applications, dApps, offer rewards for creating and contributing valuable content. For instance, platforms like Steemit, Hive, and Publish 0x reward content creators based on the engagement their articles, blog posts, or videos receive from the community. By sharing your knowledge and insights, you can earn cryptocurrency tokens that have real-world value. Additionally, platforms like LBRY and BitTube reward content creators with their native tokens for uploading and sharing videos, similar to the popular platform YouTube. You can also explore platforms like Gitcoin, which allows developers to earn cryptocurrency by contributing to open-source projects. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to earn cryptocurrency without investing any money. Several freelancing platforms have emerged in the crypto space, connecting freelancers with clients who are willing to pay in cryptocurrencies. Websites like Bitwage and CryptoGrind provide opportunities for freelancers to offer their services, such as writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, and more, and receive payment in various cryptocurrencies. By joining these platforms and showcasing your skills, you can earn cryptocurrency while expanding your professional network and gaining experience in the crypto industry. Freelancing in the crypto space also provides the opportunity to earn cryptocurrency by participating in blockchain-related projects, such as creating smart contracts or conducting security audits. Bounty programs. Many blockchain projects run bounty programs to incentivize users to contribute to their development and promotion. These programs typically involve tasks such as bug reporting, social media promotion, content creation, translation, and community engagement. By participating in bounty programs, you can earn cryptocurrency tokens or coins as a reward for your contributions. Platforms like Bounty 0x and Bitcoin Talks services section are popular destinations to discover and engage in bounty programs. It's important to carefully review the requirements and guidelines of each program before participating to ensure that your efforts are rewarded. Bounty programs offer a wide range of opportunities, allowing individuals with various skills and interests to earn cryptocurrency. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a proven method to generate income online, and it can also be applied to the cryptocurrency space. Numerous crypto-related platforms and services offer affiliate programs that reward you for referring new users or customers. By signing up for these programs and promoting the products or services through your website, blog, or social media channels, you can earn commissions in cryptocurrency whenever someone makes a purchase or completes a desired action. Popular cryptocurrency exchanges, hardware wallets, educational platforms, and trading tools often have affiliate programs that allow you to earn cryptocurrency by driving traffic and conversions. Platforms like Coinbase, Binance, and Ledger offer such affiliate programs. Mining and staking. Mining and staking are traditional methods of earning cryptocurrencies that require some initial investment in hardware or assets. However, certain blockchain networks offer the opportunity to mine or stake their tokens using computational resources or by holding a specific amount of their cryptocurrency. Mining involves using specialized hardware to solve complex mathematical problems and validate transactions on the network, while staking involves holding a certain amount of cryptocurrency in a compatible wallet to support the network's security and operations. By participating in these processes, you can earn additional tokens as a form of compensation for securing the network or validating transactions. However, it's important to note that mining and staking typically require substantial computational power and a deep understanding of the underlying protocols. Participating in airdrops and token sales. In addition to airdrops mentioned earlier, participating in token sales can also provide an opportunity to earn cryptocurrency without investing money upfront. Token sales, also known as initial coin offerings, ICOs, or initial exchange offerings, IEOs, allow individuals to purchase tokens at an early stage of a project's development. However, it's important to note that investing in token sales carries risks, and thorough research is necessary to evaluate the legitimacy and potential of the project. Some projects may offer bonus tokens or incentives to early investors, providing an avenue to earn cryptocurrency if the project succeeds. Running masternodes. Certain cryptocurrencies utilize a masternode system, where participants are rewarded for running a full node and providing additional services to the network. Masternodes require a specific amount of cryptocurrency to be held as collateral, which secures the network and supports its operations. By running a masternode, you can earn cryptocurrency rewards for maintaining network stability, processing transactions, and providing additional functionalities. While setting up and running a masternode requires technical expertise and some initial investment, it can be a long-term strategy to earn passive income in the form of cryptocurrency. Participating in proof-of-stake (POS) networks. Proof-of-stake (POS) is an alternative consensus mechanism used by certain cryptocurrencies instead of traditional mining. In POS networks, participants can earn cryptocurrency rewards by holding and staking a certain amount of the cryptocurrency in a compatible wallet. By doing so, they contribute to the security and governance of the network. POS rewards are typically distributed proportionally to the amount of cryptocurrency held and staked. Projects like Cardano, Tezos, and Cosmos are notable examples that utilize POS mechanisms. Participating in POS networks allows you to earn cryptocurrency passively over time, utilizing decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms. Decentralized finance (DeFi) has gained significant popularity in the crypto space, offering a range of financial services and opportunities to earn cryptocurrency. DeFi platforms enable users to lend, borrow, trade, and earn interest on their cryptocurrency holdings. By providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges, DEXs, or participating in liquidity pools, you can earn cryptocurrency rewards in the form of trading fees or liquidity provider (LP) tokens. Platforms like Uniswap, SushiSwap, and PancakeSwap are popular choices for participating in DeFi and earning cryptocurrency rewards. Blockchain-based gaming and NFTs. The rise of blockchain-based gaming and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, has opened up new avenues to earn cryptocurrency. Many blockchain games offer in-game currencies or tokens that can be earned through gameplay and subsequently converted to other cryptocurrencies. Additionally, players can earn rare items, digital collectibles, or NFTs by participating in game events, tournaments, or completing specific achievements. By trading or selling these digital assets on NFT marketplaces like OpenSea or Rarible, players can monetize their gaming efforts and earn cryptocurrency. Building and contributing to open-source projects. The open-source nature of many blockchain projects presents opportunities to earn cryptocurrency by contributing to their development. By collaborating with blockchain communities, developers can contribute code, provide security audits, or propose improvements to existing projects. Some projects offer bounties or rewards for significant contributions, and developers may even receive tokens as a form of compensation. Engaging with open-source projects not only allows you to earn cryptocurrency but also expands your knowledge and skills in the blockchain space. While investing money is the most straightforward way to acquire cryptocurrency, there are alternative paths that allow you to participate in the crypto space without any financial investment. By leveraging your time, skills, and online presence, you can engage in various activities that enable you to earn cryptocurrencies. Whether it's through faucets, content creation, freelancing, bounty programs, affiliate marketing, or mining and staking, there are opportunities available for everyone to get involved and start accumulating digital assets. It's crucial to exercise caution and conduct thorough research to ensure the legitimacy and suitability of each opportunity. Embrace the possibilities and embark on your journey to earn cryptocurrency without spending any money. Remember, the cryptocurrency ecosystem is constantly evolving, so stay updated and explore new opportunities as they arise.